Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to save favorite places. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to save favorite places on Google Map, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Google Map. Once you have opened your Google Map, now you need to search for the location. So once you've searched for the location, you can find this thing called a bookmark like icon. Simply tap on that particular icon and there you can find the option called favorites, want to go, travel plans, or start places. Now as this is one of your favorite places and you want to save it at favorites, you can simply tap on that box. Now you can add a note or simply leave it as it is and hit the done button. Now this will be saved as your favorite place. So this way you can save other places as your favorites as well in Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.